Multiply polynomials. One type is when they are both binomials. These two binomials have two terms each. And when that happens, we're going to use the FOIL method, which is first terms. We're going to multiply those. We got our equal sign. 2x times negative x, negative 2x squared. Outside, that's these. 2x times 4 is 8x. Inside, it's these. Negative 3 times negative x is plus 3x. And last is negative 3 times 4, which is negative 12. Then you write equals. Look for like terms. We see those here. We can add those up. 11x minus 12. Now over here on general polynomials, such as a two-term, which is a binomial, times a trinomial, the way to do it is an organized method. You take the first term here and hit it on every term in the other polynomial. So 2x times x squared is 2x to the third. Then 2x times negative x, because that's subtract x, but you can treat it as plus a negative x. So it's 2x times negative x is negative 2x squared. And then 2x times negative 4, negative 8x. Then you take the other second term and hit it on every term of the second polynomial. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times negative x is minus 3x. And 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Now you look for like terms on the highest power. You look for the highest power. That's the 2x to the third. And so you accounted for that. Oh, and by the way, when you have a 2-term times a 3-term, you're going to get 6 terms on this first line. A 2-term times a 3-term polynomial is going to be 6 terms on the first line before you simplify it. Okay, so there's 6 terms, so we did it right so far. So now we're looking for a second degree. That's all the second degree. 3 minus 2 is 1. So plus one of these x squares. Show that we used it already. Negative 8x minus 3x, negative 11x. That's this one and this one. Show that we used that already. And now we're down to the last term that's left. That's it. So we have our polynomial in decreasing exponent order. And we have our equal signs down the page. And we have the simplified process, lining up equal signs for expressions and stopping when you have it completely simplified.